Today, we will use A4 paper to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. Open it up and take this corner, fold this edge to the center crease, and fold the other side. After that, flip it over, take the triangle and fold down. We will fold the triangle along the edge. Then we will fold like this. Take the corner and fold to the center crease. And then fold this edge to the crease we just made. And then fold the other side. Fold like this. And then take the triangle and fold up like this, and then make a half fold. Next, we will fold rings. Start from the top point. Slowly drape the wings over the corner, just to cover it. Flip it over, fold the other side. The plane is ready. It's a very simple and a very beautiful plane. Okay, see you next time.